whether you're on PC or mobile, make sure you've hit that subscribe button, that red thing yet, and also hit that bell so you know when the next video is going to come out. Hey everyone, what's up? Today we're back for another Disney episode. Today we're heading out to Blizzard Beach. We decided not to take the shuttle today. We weren't sure how long we were going to stay there at Blizzard Beach, so we drove there instead. Turned out there's free parking at Disney water parks. It was really hot, something like 40 degrees C. It's like walking on hot coal when you're walking around the water park barefoot. You can hop on and hop off at multiple points, making it far easier to take the lazy river. We're heading to a ride called Teamboat Springs. It's a good opportunity to use the chairlift instead of taking steps. So we're going to hop off the lazy river by the entrance to the chairlift. We made it. Right, now let's jump in. Sorry about that big blur, that's my mum. But seriously, she's gone a bit camera shy, so I've had to blur her out.
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. That's what I want about. And a big one. And I see the finish line. Didn't take.
Teamboat Springs is a very nice family ride. At the end of the ride there's a little place where you can get your photo taken with a Mickey Mouse in a tube. Look closely, you'll see some lines appear when he takes the snaps.
Thank you.
And here's that picture. After this we went on to a solo ride called Runoff Rapids.
Thank you.
So, my dad and I really enjoyed Runoff Rapids. We're now going to go on another solo ride. Now we're on a tube this time. It's called Plummet. This time we have to go up the mountain by taking the steps. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Thank you. Oh, that's good.
Alright, that was so much fun, I just have to do it again. That was the end of Blizzard Beach. We're now off to Magic Kingdom. We drove to Disney Springs and took the monorail from there to Magic Kingdom. At least that was the plan. It broke down at Contemporary Resort, which meant we had to take the bus from there to Magic Kingdom. Quick warning, the next ride we're about to go on to is called Space Mountain, and it does have flashing lights, so if you have epilepsy you're going to want to skip this. Also, it is very, very dark, so I'm just going to have to show you the first bit, which is the only part you can actually see. Okay, let's go. So like I said before, Space Mountain got flashing lights and it's very dark. If you want to see the video, I'll probably have to post it a separate one, so make sure you've subscribed and hit the bell right next to it once you've subscribed, because then you'll know that when that video is going to come out. Anyway, the next ride we're going to go on is Splash Mountain, 15 minutes long. Again, I've only just put a couple of bits in there. I'll post the full ride in a separate video. I'll put both Space Mountains and Splash Mountains links in the description.
Oh, yeah, that was it. Can you give me thumbs up, Dylan? Thumbs up. Yeah, there's the loudest. Yeah. Oh. Have fun.
sounds like a weirdo. Let me explain. My brother's too scared to get on the ride, so my dad had to sweet talk him into getting on. As my dad's trying to keep him calm, the train is shaking him about, making him sound like that. But still, weirdo.
It's like Space Mountain, isn't it? You alright? Okay, have one hand up, not the other one. Hold with one hand. One hand up, just to help you, yeah? I'll help you anyway. There we go. Hold one hand up. Up. There we go. You can hold on if you want to. You like that? That's scary. I got you, don't worry. You won't go anywhere. It's all done now, it's all finished. Was that fun? Huh? You like that one?
But Dad, it's not done.
Yeah, it's done now, look. You like that one?
This is the last one, so that's easy.
Did you like that one? Huh? You liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you like it? Yeah.
There's only 2 rides all we needed to do.
Yeah, it's all done now. Whoa! You alright? Well, when we get off, we need to... Let's go. Okay, come this way. Oh. Hold on. Come this way. And turn around. Give me a thumbs up.
After Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, mouthful, we decided to get a snack. We got a pretzel. You could see the resemblance of Mickey. No, not the pretzel, my brother. Oh, now's the time to go into the fireworks show. I'm not showing the entire thing because it's very, very long, but if you would like to see the entire thing, you need to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you know when it's going to come up. Alright, let's go. From the entrance to the castle, the street in front of us is called Main Street. By about 7 PM, it was completely rammed. You couldn't walk through the crowd. So we watched the fireworks show from near the entrance. Hopefully this would allow us to exit the park quicker as well.
Look out. Do you want to go down?
Yeah.
Okay then. You want to get down?
So the fireworks show is 15 minutes long, so if you want to see the entire video, entire fireworks show, you see that red thing there, says subscribe, yeah, hit that. There'll be a little bell next to it then, hit that as well. After the fireworks show, our plan kinda worked, but there were still huge crowds exiting the park. We were supposed to take the monorail, but that still wasn't operating. After asking the attendant, he recommended taking a ferry. We walked to the end of the pier and it was a large ferry, but it was full and we didn't get on it. So rather than waiting for another ferry, we ended up taking the bus to Disney Springs and drove back to the hotel. So overall, long day, late night, a lovely day at Disney, and we're glad to be back at the hotel to get some rest.